Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. If you're new to this, what we do is we play a random game, don't edit it. If you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist on this channel. It's titled Let's Play Solitaire, with more games just like today. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist called Solitaire Tips, and there's a couple good videos here you may want to take a look at. Let's go ahead and get started with the game right now. Well, the first thing I like to do is play anything in the columns. Sometimes it's not always an option, but today we've got a few options here. I got a little bit of a dilemma. I don't know which one to play. We'll see how it goes there. And we could. That might lead us somewhere. It might. It doesn't. Okay. By lead us somewhere, I mean get us an open column. That one does not get us an open column either. So I don't know which one's a better choice. I really don't. But we're gonna play through here. This is a mistake that's made a lot of the time, is playing that first card. We could, although I think we could make an exception with that. We're gonna do it this way. We're gonna play the jack, and we're gonna play the ace. The reason why is this two of hearts will be a first option when we come back. Though, do I want to play this queen? See, that's a tough choice now. Yeah, we'll keep the two of hearts as the first option there, and we'll see how this plays out. Not gonna play. This is the card that gets you in trouble tonight. Bringing down this low card here, and the reason why is there's a two of hearts we want to play later on. The plan is to put the three of hearts up here, open up another column. If we bring this two down, we can't do that. So we're not gonna play the two. I think there's another red 10. I'm gonna hold off on that. I feel like the other red 10 might be more valuable, but we'll see. Same thing with this two of spades here. I want to play it there. Oh boy. That's like a trap there, isn't it? I'm gonna want to open up a column though, so we'll see how this goes. So this is going to be our first option, or our insurance card when we get a chance. And we will. Same thing with the 10. I'm not going to play that yet. We can play this 5 here. Okay, good. That is the ace of clubs, and that's the ace of spades. That's better yet. That's going to allow us to play this two of spades. And we'll be able to play both of these heart cards when we get a chance. But the question is, should we have played this 10? That's kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe this 10 is a better play. I don't know yet. We'll see. So, we're going to play the two of clubs now, three of clubs. We will play some of those other cards. But if you've watched any games, I'd like to save these cards for insurance for later. And then, yeah, just save them for insurance for later. Because the more you can manipulate this draw pile, the better your chances are of solving this. So that's what we're going to try to do here. There's the 5 of diamonds. We'll bring that down. And we'll go through again. Okay, now we're going to start playing a few cards here. And the question is, or what I want to do here in this situation is I'm going to play only 2 cards. So there. Play the 9. We're not going to bring the 4 down. The reason we're not doing that is because we want this 10 to be the first card we see. And of course we will play the 3 and the 4. Oh, that's good. There's a jack there. Now we're going to play this king. I can't remember the card. It was a 9? Okay. That's good, because now we can move this 8 here. And a 2 of diamonds. So there's a little bit of a trade-off here. We're going to move the 3 clubs down. But unfortunately, that means we're not going to be able to play any clubs. We can bring this 2 of diamonds here. That'll get us nothing, actually. But actually, we have a move. We have this 10 of hearts. We'll be able to put the 9 under there. So that's our move. We also have this 8 that I didn't see, and the 7 as well. So yeah, we're looking good here. We just got to be smart in our moves here. 5 of hearts would be a real good card. That would allow us to put the 6 of hearts up here, and I could show you how if I can find it. Let's see, nothing there. So 10's our first option. Not going to take it yet. just want to go through and see if there's anything else. There is not. So we're going to take the 10 here. And we are going to move this 9. There's the 5 of hearts. That's good for us. That's going to allow us to move a bunch of cards here. And what I'm saying right now is we're going to move the 6 of hearts up top. To do that, we're going to, if you notice, there's a 6 of diamonds right there. We're going to move the 5 of clubs over. Like that. 6 of hearts here. Now we take the 6 of diamonds, put it there, and we get a nice card. So there's the 9. We can play that. And the question is, can we play the rest of these cards? Well, we can play this king. 6 of spades we can play down here or up here. And it's getting tricky, so we got to be smart. There's the queen we can play. We'll play the jack 10. I don't know if that's going to help us out. We can play this jack here. We'll play the 10 and the 7. And unfortunately, we could not get this 4 clubs out. But I think we have a path here. We just need to get this jack up top. If we can do that, we're going to have it. So we're going to start moving cards up to the foundation pile here. Now we can't play clubs because the 4 clubs is right there, but we can play spades. So 6 of spades, 7 of hearts. We're going to try to go spades and hearts is the plan. So let's see here. We got 2 7s. We need the 7 of spades up, so we're going to go like that. 7 of spades up. 8 of hearts to the foundation pile. Now we're looking at 2 8s. We want the 8 of spades showing. And we also want the 9 of hearts going up, so we're going to swap this. You see there's 2 red 9s there. We're going to swap them across like that. Now we want the 10 of hearts up. We're going to move this 9 here. So 9 of spades up. 10 of hearts. Now we can play spades. 10 of spades, jack of spades, queen of spades, 4 of clubs, and we solved the puzzle. So pretty neat, huh? So that was pretty cool. Hopefully I was able to maybe learn a trick or two there. But yeah, got it done there. If you like this sort of thing, again, there's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. Games just like today's game. There's also a playlist with more specific tips. It's called Solitaire Tips. There's a bunch of videos in that playlist, but my favorite 2 are Solitaire Complete Tip Guide and How to Win at Solitaire, where I break down almost every imaginable situation you encounter and explain how to do it with much more diagrams and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and good luck.